What do you got? What'd you find? Are those some eggs? What's in that? Got another one? You have two now? What's in that? Open it. Open it and see what's in it. Let's see. Oh, candy. Oh, I got the candy in there. You could eat that. You could eat that. Yeah, eat that. Oh, you want to put it back? Here. Oh, you don't like it? Here. Here. And we'll put it back in the egg. Oh, that's another one? Wow. You're going to share with me? Thank you. That's nice. Go. Where's there more? Where's there more? Yeah, that's a piece of candy. Yes, you can eat that. That's good stuff. Dogs. Dog. Let's check out this table, man. Oh, there's Mama's basket she made. Oh. It's Nana's basket. What do you think of all this, huh? What do you think? Did you like that fruit snack that was in there? Was good stuff, huh? Where you going? Go find some more. Go find some more. Go find some more. Look, there's your snacks. Here's the snacks that were in it right there. Yummy. Oh, thank you. I get the egg. Thank you. Good. Oh, don't hit it. Egg. Here. Green one. Uh-oh, eat your candy. Here you go. Eat your candies. Yummy. we going? Look, there's Jixer and Roxy. Hey guys. Hi guys. Hey, what are you doing? You found some more? Found another eggie? Don't hide it in the closet. You found another one on the phone. Yeah, I see it. Found it. Get it. Get it. Egg. Egg. You got it. Yay. 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 Oh, you're going to share with me? Thank you. You get them. What are you doing? You have 3 of them? Ooh. There's another one. You found a pink one. Uh-oh. The snack came out of it. Mm-hmm. Snackies. Oh, that's good stuff. Is it stuck in there? Oh, you got it. You got it. There it is. Mmm. Yummy. I hear someone.
Easter Bunny come? What did he bring? He bring candy? He bring eggs? Did he come and bring me eggs and candy? Look at the candies on the floor. You like opening the eggs?
Yeah, he did. I just put them in nice little easy spots around the living room, and he just has found them all. He just found the most recent one on the phone.
What is that? What is that? Is that candy? See, put that in your mouth. Put in your mouth. Do you even know that?
I recorded it. I couldn't wait to do just some eggs.
Oh, that went in the mouth.
He saw the table. First thing he came up and he was like, and he was trying to like climb up on a chair. Where are you at?
Plant recycling bin now.
Are you done with all your eggs?
Candy is
You done?
funny. Want something to drink? Are you thirsty?